Hey everyone, this is the 3D printer from ANYCUBIC that I want to show you about the pros and cons before you start looking to buy this printer. So the pros of this printer is it has exceptional print quality. The level of detail precision is really impressive. It's easy to set up. It took me about an hour after unboxing to start using it. It came partially assembled, so it was really easy to set up. It does have really fast printing. It prints faster than most 3D resin printers, so you can complete projects much quickly, which is good for me because time is money. It has a large build volume, so you can have bigger builds if you're looking to have more larger and intricate models. It has a touchscreen at the front that is user-friendly. It's very initiative and responsive, and I really like it. And the cons, I would say, it does have resin odors like most resin printers, so make sure you have a ventilated area and nice breezy area so the odor goes out. With any resin handling, resin is actually really messy working with, so make sure you use gloves and protective gear. What I find disappointing a little bit was limited connectivity. It lacks Wi-Fi or wireless printing capabilities. I thought that would be a great addition to the ANYCUBIC 3D printer. And the frequent resin refills. The resin vat is not very large, so you'll need to monitor and refill it often during longer prints. So overall expressions, this ANYCUBIC 3D printer, it excels in print and quality and speed. It's a fantastic choice for those who demand precision and detail in their prints. While it has a few minor inconveniences like resin odor and frequent refills, it offers an excellent value for the quality of prints it delivers. If you're ready to dive into resin 3D printing at an affordable price, I think ANYCUBIC 3D printer is for you. And as you can see, I did a model from ANYCUBIC for my D&D group as their, it's like a prop. So I hope you enjoyed it and consider it a good buy.